Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we're going to have a strong abs 15-minute workout. We're going to hit that core. I have a few dumbbells behind me. I'll be using 50s just for a weight placement, a 25-pound weight, and then two 15-pound weights. We have 15 exercises going straight through it, 45 seconds of work, 15-second rest. Our first exercise is going to be sprinter abs. So we're going to bring it with body weight. I want that core contracted. We're going to bring it down to the mat, and we're absolutely going to bring it, all right? Push, do the absolute best you can, and you see those mots. Let's go, left and right. Squeeze. Let's work that core. Make the most out of each rep. Come on. There we go. Woo! Burn is real. One double and down. All right, from here, we're going for seated V up tap. So I'm just going to grab a dumbbell here as a placeholder to make sure my legs stay separated. We're going to sit, legs are going to come down and kick them straight up. All right, so we're in a seated position. Legs are wide. We're going to come up and tap. Control it down. Control those legs up with that core and down. There we go. And extra credit if you want to hover those legs like so and bring it up. Woo! No more of that. Let's go. Hold it together. Try to control those legs down. Quads getting some work here as well. Yes. Fighting for these. Good. From here, we're going for J walks. We're going for a J tuck crunch or a J up crunch. And then we're going to walk those legs down, fluttering. I'm grabbing a 50-pound weight for this. Hands behind. We're going to bring it up. Walk it down. And walk it down. Control that core down. You see I'm falling? If it's too much, you can just do a J without the feet. But do your best. Work in progress. Come on. Woo! And down. Yes. From here, heavy Russian twist. I'm going with 25-pound weights. Or a 25-pound weight. Quick sip. If the abs get too tired or your legs exhausted, feet can stay on the ground. Weights up. Let's go. Left and right. Yeah. Strong abs. Come on. Yeah. Breathe it out. Get that fear out of your face. And work through those abs. Push. Breathe it out. Over. Left and right. Come on. We got this. Yeah. Yeah. Fighting, fighting, fighting. A few more. And down. Good. Star, tap, crunch. 2 ways to do this. Legs on the floor or with the feet and arms hovering. Let's go. Bring it up. Control it down. I'm going extra credit version with the hovered legs. And hovered arms. But you can bring it with your feet down. You're still going to feel that burn. And if you need to modify from there, drive it in like so. Crunching it over. Let's go. You can access any exercise at your own level. Speaking of, hovers are out. One more. And down. Yes. From here, dumbbell, side, V taps. So I'm grabbing a 15-pound weight. We're gonna lay towards our right. That way left side comes up, tap, control down. Let's go. Work it, up. There we go. Squeeze. Felt that one. Abs exhausted from that cardio, but we're still bringing it with the strength. Come on. Work it. Finish up strong today, family. We're pushing for those results. Good. From here, iso hold, J ups. So, left arm's gonna hold. And we're gonna bring those legs up. Bring it up, thrust, and down. Hold that weight. Control, count them out. Yeah. Woo! Adjusting. I'm flying off my mat. Come on. And down. Working those abs. Yeah. Woo! And down. Whoa. Most beautiful beat I ever heard in my life. From here, going right into bicycles. No equipment. We know this move. Let's perfect it. Left and right. Let's go. Squeeze it up and over. Elbow comes up. Knee drives in. Legs extend. Work it, work it, work it. If you need to modify, legs are down. I need to modify here. So I'll show y'all real quick. When you can, come back in. Abs are working. Good. From here, dumbbell side V taps, 15 pounds. This time I'm facing on the left. That way we work on the right side. Arm is out. Bring that weight up. Let's go. Tap and down. Control. Come on, up. We are working those abs today. Remember, always rest instead of ego rep. And bring it up a little bit more. There we go. Whoa. Side tuck. Hitting those obliques. Controlling that weight down and up. Through those obliques as well. Come on. Yeah. Control. One more. And down. Woo! From here, iso hold, J ups. This is my new love-hate exercise right here. So right hand holds, bring it up, arm is out, bring it up, control it down. If I have to bring those legs straight up, control it down. I'm kind of walking through my back on this mat though. There we go. Fight. Almost there. And down. We're going to call that yes. From there, rolling V taps. We're going left to right, tapping it up. I'm going to face the left. We're going to tap, hollow hold, roll, other side. Let's pass the last move. Up. Roll it over. Come on. We got this body weight. Make it controlled. And over. Let's go. Get in there. Yes. Roll to the middle. V-tap. Down. Good. Keeping it even. From here, oh man, rainbow tuckovers. So you're grabbing the weight here to have a placement to tuck over with. We're gonna sit it back. Let's go. Bring it up. Tuck it in. Up and over. Body weight, but oh, I feel it. Come on. In and out, up and over. There's a few more exercises to go. Strong abs. Fight for it. Whew. Yeah, beautiful failure. Come on, let's get some more. One more. And down. Yes. All right, from here, iso, pulse, crunch. One leg up. I'm grabbing two 15-pound weights. I'm going to pulse up and switch. Let's bring it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. And up. 4. Come on. 3. Squeeze. 2, 1. Woo! 2, 1. Work it, work it, work it. Yeah. 3, 4. Good, keep it even. From here, behind the back pass, I'm using one 15-pound weight, which is more than enough. Use a weight that works for you. Legs are coming up. Crunch it up and over. Second to last exercise here. Let's go. Crunch and pass. There we go. Squeeze it out. Come on, crunch it up. Yeah. Almost there. Just keep that fight for just a little bit longer, family. Come on. Little pause at the top, in through. I got sweat all over my forehead. And we are down on the mat. Come on. Keep it even. Good. From here, we're going to grab two weights. You can hold on to one weight with both hands, or you can use no weight at all. We're going for dumbbell flutter kicks. 60 seconds on the clock. Grand finale. Grab those weights. Bring them up. Shoulders off the ground. And flutter. Control through that core. We got this. I'm right here with you. Let's fight through. Abs are locked. You're not just kicking those feet. Hold that weight up. And breathe. Come on. We're doing some air walks today. Isometric holds. Hit those abs like none other. But we got this. Fight, fight, fight. Come on. Fist bump on the way. Feet to flex. Work it. Just walk. One leg at a time. Using your core to drive those legs up, left and right. As your abs also work to hold that weight up. Come on. Working it from the top and the bottom. Just a few more seconds. We're going to bring those weights down nice and softly. Wait for that final beep. Down. Bring it in. Get that fist bump and boom! Fist bump. Way to rock it. Ooh. I am dead. Abs are exhausted. Look, we had to modify sometimes. We experimented some new exercises today. Some of them we had to come back and perfect another time. But we're constantly pushing outside of our comfort zone, getting stronger, and absolutely bringing it. So as we're going throughout our day, as always, if this is your final stacked workout, make sure that you stretch it out. You don't want to be working your abs like this, and then you wake up and you got a crook in your back or something like that, all right? So if this is your final move or your final workout, stretch it out, take care of your body, and as you go on throughout your day, take care of your body as well. What was the toughest part for you in this workout? Let me know. How did you do for those jaywalks? Did you try them out once, twice? Did you make them through? Did you go back to standard J-ups? Let me know down below in the comments. And as we're going throughout our day, healthy habits always, healthy food in our stomach to complement and make these abs show, healthy things in our heart relationships, and healthy things in our mind, mental health over everything else until we come back and kick some more butt. It's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.